So today we will be speaking to Amlan. He's the engineering manager at Aslaila. He'll be telling us a little bit about software engineering and life in software. Hi, Amlan.
Hi.
So can you tell us a little bit about how you got into software engineering and what really inspired you to take up this profession?
Yeah, basically, I always loved maths, so that's how I got into IIT. And I did my graduation in computer science from IIT Kharagpur. So after you do graduation in computer science, it's basically you got into this kind of roles which are like software engineer, and that's how I got into this profession.
Okay, and can you tell us what type of person would you recommend this job to, really?
Yeah, basically, I would suggest if you love logical reasoning, puzzles, that's kind of skills that you should have. And obviously, because computer science is based on maths, you should like maths for sure
Yeah, okay.
to get you started in
Yeah.
computer science.
And do you need to really be good at using computers, or is there not a lot of that?
Correct. So basically, it's not that you have to be very good computer savvy, for example,
Yeah.
to be a computer science engineer. But yeah, generally all computer science engineers
Exactly.
are also savvy.
Yeah, they want to use their own products.
Yeah, correct, exactly.
So what is it that really, what's your favorite part of this profession? What is it?
What I like about is you find a lot of new challenges every day. For example, you see, okay, how do I solve this user's problem? When you take a photo with your camera, for example, right? Most of the time, the hands would shake, right? So if your software can handle that thing, right, automatically, so that even if your hand shakes, your photo should come stable, right?
Yeah.
So those are the problems that fascinates me. So these kind of problems fascinate any computer science engineer,
Yeah.
for example.
Okay. And as a computer science engineer, what is it that you do on a day-to-day basis? And most people know that, yeah, you code, but how does the process work from end to end?
Correct. So basically, coding is the bread and butter, but you need to design. You should have a designing skills, like how to go about it. What are the features that your product should have? So you need to design a little bit before you actually get into coding, and also you should have some execution skill to finish it off, right? And it's an polished product. So I would say designing skills plus coding plus execution. Those are the three things that are necessary.
Yeah. And do you need like managing skills, teamwork, or are those not equally as?
Correct. I think managing and teamwork is beneficial in whatever role you work for. But yes, I mean it's always helps, but it's not that
specific.
It has to be like it's specific to software roles.
Yeah. Okay. So, and what as a computer science engineer, what do you see this like industry? Where do you see it going? Do you think there'll be more jobs? Do you think that it's just gonna fade and die?
Okay. Yeah. So so basically the computer and internet is growing like fast, right? This is the biggest revolution that world has seen. Internet, I think, and the smartphone and internet. These are the biggest revolution that world has seen, what a human race has seen till today, right? So it's going to grow, right? Even that search engines are like replacing your mind. You don't have to remember any stuff, right? And there's no sign that it's not going to grow. So I would say this industry, whatever, is going to grow, and obviously you need, when an industry grows, you need more and more people to it. So I would say, these roles, the number of people working in this field would grow significantly.
Yeah. Okay. And after 10th, if you wanted to become a computer engineer, like your mind was set, what would the courses and subjects you'd need to take to get into this?
Okay. Any maths should be there by default, and if you are exposed to statistics, that helps because that gives you that data analysis part. And if you can take computer science as one of your optional subject, that gives you an extra added exposure to the course that you face in your engineering courses.
Yeah.
So I'd suggest, right, that you take statistics and computer science in your +2, and do a engineering degree after your +2.
Okay. And after engineering, do you need to take up anything else, or would that be sufficient?
Yeah, so basically you can go for masters. Some people go for PhD as well.
Okay.
But I would say, sometime if you are good enough, I think graduation skills are okay, because your professional's experience will teach you a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, thanks a lot. I'm sure anyone who watches this video will be, they'll learn a lot. It's been great talking to you.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, bye.